Because gas particles are separated, enjoying their freedom to move freely, most of the times gas is not visible to our eyes. We also cannot touch or feel gas, as it would not feel like anything at all. But actually, every day, every moment, we are surrounded by gas. Liquid particles are a little different. While they are able to overcome their attraction and move past each other as well, they do not have as much freedom to move than gas. Liquids have a definite volume, though they do not have a definite shape. Liquids tend to take the shape of its container. Unlike gas, we can feel liquids, and look, it flows right along my hand. Solid particles are the poorest of them all. They have extreme spatial limitations, that they cannot move, but instead vibrate in place. Think of it as a famous clothing store on Black Friday. But perhaps they are the most fortunate in some ways. They have a definite shape and volume, which means they are strong. They will not have to be affected by its container. Here's our glass of water. Now when we add energy, it will become heated up and start to boil like this. Guess what this is called? Boiling. As it boils, some of this water evaporates, and this one's called evaporation. It turns into gas. That means that even though you begin with this much water, after you boil the water, it will be less than the original. So make sure you don't boil water for too long.
When energy is subtracted from the water, it turns into an ice cube. This is called freezing. Now when we add energy to ice cubes, it turns back into its liquid form of water. When we add more energy to the ice cubes, they just turn directly into gas. This is sublimation.
This is a common bottle of Coke. Do you see these droplets inside the bottle? This is an example of condensation where gas changes into liquids. It happens when gas touches a cold surface. That was it about the states of matter and its changes. It's time for the next slide.